good morning. It's a really cold day in the Algarve. So today I'm going to be doing some bilge painting. I'm quite excited because I do like the painting jobs whenever we do anything on the boat. So yeah, hopefully we can have the engine back soon. So underneath is where the oil leak is. You see inside there, all the oil's leaking through to the engine bay. I'm gonna have to clean all of this out before I do anything with painting. Would anyone like a kitchen scourer? Beer top? Anyone know what that is? Okay, so there's like loads of fuel. It was wet when I came here, and then I put those tissues, and I've popped my head out, and there's just like fuel everywhere. But yeah, I don't know what to do. So I've messed up a little bit. Whilst I was inside the locker, I by mistake moved the fuel cutoff. Like, I must have bumped this to the right. When I popped my head over, obviously I don't know everything, so I was stressing, so I phoned Joe. He was like, you must have bumped the lever thing. Yeah, lesson learned. I'm gonna be more careful in the locker. Ow! Before and after. The following day, I had help from my mother to sand the hull.
Mum's back in the game. Prop time off.
Call it like you're calling me back off your grandma.
Ready? Oh, that was easy. So what we're doing is, obviously we've got the prop shaft here, okay, I'm doing the clamp, I'm going to slide the whole prop shaft off and check out what's going on. Ready? Try one while you're getting up.
I don't know if we're doing the right thing here, but we'll see. Yeah, just trying to get the cutlass bearing out. Apparently this, looking at the online, is like a screw and it just unscrews off.
Got shit in my eyes.
Oh no! And a big wrench. It's an unscrew job.
Yeah, an unscrew job.
Yeah, sometimes on a screw job. Hey! There you go. Oh, some growth inside there. And new cutlass bearing. More fun and games to be had. How's the drill?
Yeah, it's good.
Got something more powerful?
For now it's okay.
Sure.
Just taking off the remainder of barnacle. Like the end part is stuck on proper.
Have a go with this drill.
Alright. Let's do this, bitches.
English, Portuguese? Ah, yeah. You finished? Okay. Where are you from? From Finland. Oh, yeah. I say thank you. Propeller primer. Perfect.
Thank
Next
you.
job. Thank you. That was nice. Always nice in the boatyard, isn't it? Gentleman from Finland here with this lovely. There's a steel boat. He's just done his props, seen us getting our props sorted, and he brought us over his leftover propeller primer. So we can get that primed up and anti-foul later. How about that? Look at my tool.
Oh, come follow me here.
Right, this is a nightmare. So obviously this is where our anode goes. We've taken it off. Don't know why I'm wearing these gloves, they're ripped to shreds. But these are the through bolts to keep the anode on. And getting these off is an absolute nightmare. I've managed to spin this one round. Inside they were all rusted and corroded, so I sort of drilled the bolts off. But now getting these, these need to pull out. So obviously this metal square plate is welded to this bolt, and the nut's gone on top like this.
You're a nut.
So I'm nutty at the moment. I'm going to smash it to pieces in a minute. So I'm using the biggest wrench I've got. That should start turning, maybe. Oh, a bit of movement there. Oh, there's a bit. That moved an inch.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
I don't know if I can. It's spinning. This is the best we've had.
At least you can say best.
Unbelievable this is. Come on. Oh, it's coming.
Yeah?
I don't know what it's full of.
Oh, there we go.
That has been, you have no idea the relief of that. That's how thick our fiberglass is. Because that's the top inside the engine bay. And then that's right up to, that's how thick the Wesley fiberglass is.
High
If you
five.
look up there, look up there, you can see the sky.
Oh, there we go.
There you go, you can see the sky. Why can't it just come through? Why? Stop zooming in on the phone.
I don't know why this tripod won't fucking stay up straight.
More powerful drill. See, you reflect on any of your choices the moment you go around.
Oh, look at that. Man lead Hey? Oh, I'm a man. I know everything.
He's really happy with the dress.
Yeah, check the merch.